Yo, what is up, gamers? I have this accelerometer here. Ooh, cool little device. Focus, you fuckface. Fuck. Yeah. It's not working properly because I didn't solder it. Yeah, it fell off. Hold on. Let me get it back on there. It's not working. It kind of hates me a bit. Yeah. Literally here, Arduino. Trying to get it working so y'all can see it. I'll get back to y'all in a second. Boop. I got it working. You can't see the light, but got it working. So if I... Seriously? Okay. Damn it. This is what I get for working without soldering iron. Damn it. I really have to play around with it. Oh, got it. Damn it, it lost. Each time I find connection, it just stops working. It's like mad annoying. Damn it. I have to get it. See the trouble I have to go through? Can someone like send me a soldering iron or something? Just joking. I got it working this time. You can see on the screen. How do I keep losing it? I think I got it? No. I think I have to buy a soldering iron. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Alright, so that's the video, I guess. See ya later. Bye.